Restoring a highly decorated veteran's uniform is quite the honor. Colonel Daniel Kremen served in the United States Army for over 60 years. He proudly served as a paratrooper in the 101st Airborne. He was a Green Beret, and through dedicated service, he received numerous awards and was inducted into the Military Hall of Fame in 2009. Thankfully, this uniform is in great condition, and a dry clean is all it needs. In the meantime, we headed over to J. David's Jewelry, where J. David himself helped us to restore these beautiful pieces. He starts by placing the pieces in a magnetic finisher, which is a very gentle way to clean gold-plated items without damaging the plating. And then he hand polishes the rest. Now we're back at Preserve, where the uniform moves over to the Petromizer. Next, we move over to cleaning the bow tie. This is PSR, and it's basically dry cleaning in a can, but it's mixed with baby powder. What happens is the solvent brings the oils up to the surface, and the baby powder absorbs it, and it can be easily blown off. Bill uses steam to remove the water-soluble stains and then dries it. Next, he moves on to cleaning the aiguillette, using the same method as before. Then he applies Albapro and uses the bone to help remove the stains. Finally, we can move on to finishing, starting with the cummerbund. Then he moves on to pressing the pants. Next, it's time for the jacket. Bill starts by inserting the sleever and then applies steam to help the arms relax into their original shape. Then he turns it inside out and presses the inner lining. This makes wearing the jacket significantly more comfortable, and even though it's only going to be displayed at his memorial service, Bill's making sure that this restoration is perfect. As you can see, there's some kind of oxidized food or drink stain on the sleeve, so Bill makes a sodium perborate ball, applies a neutral soap, heats it with a steam gun, and then places it on the stain. This allows Bill to remove the oxidized stain quickly and efficiently. Now we're back over to finishing. Next, it's time to clean things up a bit more, using the same method as before. Now, Jocelyn can sew back on the buttons. Finally, it's time to reinstall the pins. A little extra buffering before it's finally finished. This uniform is truly something to marvel at. The before and afters may not be crazy, but this restoration touched our hearts. Colonel Daniel Kremen gave his life serving his country. He was honored many, many times, awarded and inducted into the Military Hall of Fame. Being given the opportunity to help his family memorialize him in a way that cements his legacy and shares it with the world is truly special. To care for something that represents a lifetime of service, sacrifice, and honor is a responsibility we hold deeply. This uniform is more than fabric. It's a reflection of courage, dedication, and a legacy that will never be forgotten. Every detail tells the story of a man who gave so much for others, and to help prepare it for his memorial is something that truly stays with us. It stands not just as a uniform, but as a tribute to a life lived with purpose, bravery, and unwavering commitment to his country.